Yes, we want a small dog to be friends with this guy.
And if you're wondering where these two random people came from, we spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on a statewide ad campaign to get as many people here as possible.
What do you think of Biscuit?
Oh, she's cute.
If you're interested, we can take them to the park and let them play together.
Yes, that would be amazing.
Oh, they're running together.
Yes, we love her.
You want to proceed to the next step?
Yes, please. We love her so much.
1 down, 99 more to go. Oh, we got a runaway dog. We got you cornered. They're all cheering him on. All right, whoever adopts Rocky, good luck. It's very energetic.